Hi guys, welcome to my channel and I hope you are doing great today because I'm about to share with you how to make this frameless bra. So let's get started. So guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to take a quarter of our bust round measurement, and mine is 37 divided by 4, which is 9 inches. And I am going to draw a square of around 9 by 9 inches. The next thing we're going to do is to divide the square into 4 equal parts, and mine is 4.5 inches. Now the next thing that we need to do is to label our lines. So the first line is the side, the center front, the top and the bottom. For the top side square, I am going to divide this square into 4 equal parts. Once we are done doing so, on the center line, I'm going to mark 1 inch going down. Then the next thing is to mark at the bottom 1 inch on both sides to create a dot. Now on the center front line, I am going to drop, which is going to be the neckline, by 1 inch. Then once we are done, I'm going to connect that point to the center square that is shown on the screen. The next thing is to create an armhole, and I'm going to use a curved ruler to do so. The next thing we need to do is to connect the point from the dot to the center front neckline. And also on this side, we are going to do the same thing, connect from the dot to the armhole. Now to create the bridge from the center front, I am going to go out by 1 centimeters. So moving on to creating the band, I am going to take quarter of my bust round measurement, subtract half an inch because we are going to be using stretch fabric. And then the width of my band is going to be 3 inches. Now to remove the pointed edges on the band, we want to go in by 1 inch. Once we marked that 1 inch, we want to blend the line on the curved area. And we also need to do the same thing for the bridge. So I am going to mark 1 inch going in. Once we are done, we want to also, from that point, just blend the line. cutting the cups on fabric, as you can see, this is a non-stretch material, so I am going to cut the cups on a non-stretch material, and on fold, that's where I am going to be placing the neckline and then cut the cups out. So guys, I did cut the bridge on a non-stretchy material, just like we did for the cups. But for the band is completely different. We will definitely need to cut it on a stretchy material. Now, since we are done cutting out our material, let's go ahead and sew our bra. For now, see you on part 2.